And a nonprofit organization formed because of the pandemic right here in San Antonio. Its main goal is to expand asymptomatic COVID-19 testing, especially in our schools. And joining us live is Sal Weber, the president of Community Labs, to tell us what they're doing in our community. Good morning, Sal.
Good morning, Vanessa. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Let's get right to it. First of all, tell us about Community Labs and why you formed and what your mission is.
Our mission at Community Labs is to keep San Antonio open. We know that the virus is spread through silent spreaders, and our take on the best way to approach this pandemic is to develop a high volume screening capability where we can screen the healthy people and the people who might be infectious, and then let them know as quickly as possible. And so we've designed a process that can deliver results in under 24 hours so that people can get the results fast and self-quarantine if they need to.
And Sal, you talk about a micro community or micro population, and you've started working with schools such as Somerset ISD. Can you describe that concept and why it's important?
Absolutely. This is not dissimilar to what the NBA did with their bubble. The idea is that you have micropopulations that see each other every day, and a perfect example of that is a school. And so what we wanted to do is define that micropopulation, test that population, make sure they're safe, make sure that parents feel safe sending their kids back to school. And what we're actually seeing in Somerset is a very rapid increase in kids actually going back to school. Now, within the population of the school, there's other micropopulations, people like bus drivers, people like food service staff and janitors who have even more contact. And so we're also defining and testing those people as well.
And one of those examples, Sal, is Santikos Entertainment, who just announced last week they'll be testing all of their employees each week. And why is something like that important?
It's very important. I think Santikos and the team at Santikos is very enthusiastic about joining us on this mission and making Santikos a safe place for people to come and get away from some of the madness that has been this pandemic. I know I'm looking forward to taking my family to go see a movie, and knowing that staff has been 100% tested and that they're safe.
And Sal, I want to talk about where we go from here. I know Bexar County commissioners just designated $2 million in funding so you could expand in local school districts. So where do you see us moving forward throughout the rest of the year?
Yes, so we are very busy. We're a new lab. We're 4 weeks old in terms of going live with the public. And so this new funding from the county, along with matching funds, is going to fund over 114,000 tests for school children in and around the San Antonio area. We're very, very excited, honored, and we feel a great responsibility to use this money as effectively as possible to make sure schools are safe, parents feel safe to send children back to school. We know that in-person learning is the most effective way to learn, and we want to facilitate that for San Antonio. So I'm honored to be able to be in that mission.
Yes, and we appreciate all you guys are doing. And the city is also offering free testing at some of the community centers in town. And we have a link to all of that on our website at kens5.com. Thank you, Sal, for joining us this morning.
Thank you.